Meaning of homesickness.
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 Homesickness. Homesickness is a feeling of longing or nostalgia for one's home or native place. It's a common emotion experienced by people who are away from their home for extended periods, such as when traveling or living in a new place. The symptoms of homesickness can include sadness, anxiety, depression, and a desire to return to one's familiar surroundings. It can also lead to physical symptoms such as headaches and insomnia. Homesickness can be alleviated by staying in touch with loved ones, creating a sense of familiarity in a new environment, and engaging in activities that bring comfort and joy.